So in this design wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit the image brightness of an image here in design wizard. So first thing you have to do obviously is import an image or add an image into your design. So to do that, go to the left hand side of your screen, press on the elements tab right here. Then where it says photos, you can press on more or just select a photo from here. So I'll just go ahead and press this one right here of an earth that appears to be in the shape of a heart, if I'm not mistaken. So I will find out fairly shortly, and that's exactly what it is. Now, in order to add a filter, it's pretty straightforward. Make sure that the image is selected. Go to the top sort of bar right here to where it says effects. Press on effects. Then if you scroll down all the way to right here, you actually have, brightness, saturation, contrast, blur, tint, etc. I simply just adjust this blur by dragging this bar. If you drag it to the right, the blur increases, or the brightness increases. If you drag it to the left, the brightness decreases. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can edit image brightness in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.